So we're on another engine swap. I'm not sure if that crack shows up right there. There's cracked right there. It's cracked right there. That's pretty much where the 4.3's crack. And the manifold cracked right there. Freeze plug. Other manifold cracked right there. And the other side. And the Vortec 4.3's, the intake manifold, it's very, very common, and it's cracked also. And if you don't know what you're doing, then you don't pull that plug right there to drain the manifold when you winterize it. There's water in that and it freezes and cracks your manifold, your intake, so you need a new intake too. And that's a pile of that motor. So we'll have it back together in a few days.